Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan QR code on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone. And for your information, this is Samsung Galaxy A25. So maybe the feature will be a little different with the other types. Okay, and to scan QR code on a Samsung Galaxy phone, guys, you can use QR code scanner feature that is already available on Samsung. You can go to your quick setting panel and then you can find the QR code scanner right here. Okay, and you just need to click on the QR code scanner to scan the QR code. Well, let me tap on that and I'm going to scan this QR code. Okay, just place the camera on the QR code. Okay, wait guys, oops, okay. Again, this is the link. You can open the link, copy the link, and also share the link. And I'm just going to click on cancel. Okay, and if you can't find this feature on your quick setting panel, you can edit your quick setting panel, guys. Just click on the edit button and select edit and make sure that the scan QR code is added to the quick setting panel. Okay, sometimes you need to add this feature to the quick setting panel so it can appear. Okay, and if you don't have this feature on your phone, guys, don't worry because I still have another method to scan QR code on a Samsung Galaxy phone because not all the Samsung Galaxy phones can scan or have the QR code scanner feature on it. If you don't have this feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you can still use the Google Lens. Just go to the Google search bar and you can click on the camera icon. And then you can click on open camera. And wait, guys, let me open my second phone to provide the QR code. Okay, just like this, and then the link will appear right here. Or just simply go to the Google application like this and go to the Google Lens, open camera, and scan the QR code. Okay, if you don't have the QR code scanner feature, just use the Google Lens. It can also scan the QR code. Okay guys, and that's how you can scan QR code on Samsung. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.